In previous period, we have seen complementary angles, and to understand the complementary angles, we have taken, for example, angle, right angle. In the right angle, we have taken two angles whose this measure of one of the angle is 50 degree, another is 40 degree. The sum of both angles is 90 degree. And one more example was taken, that is two angles. One is of 50 degree and another is of 40 degree. And this case also, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, they are called as complementary angle. Now, today we are going to see practice set 16, which is depend on the complementary angles. Let us see in the first question of practice set 16. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. And in that, first is 40 degree. We have to find measure of the complementary angle of 40 degree. Now, while solving this example, first step is let the measure of complementary angle be x. Let the measure of complementary angle be x. Now we know sum of two angles is 90 degree, then only we say them as complementary angle. Therefore, x plus 40 is equal to 90 degree, and x is equal to 90 minus 40, x is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle, the measure of complementary angle is 50 degrees. In this way, the question first question we have solved, and next it is given second 63 degree, and we have to find the complementary angle of 63 degree. As usual, let complementary angle be x. Therefore, the x plus 63 is equal to 90 degree, and x is equal to 90 minus 63 degree. X is equal to 27. Therefore, the measure of complementary angle is 27 degree. And then next is third is 45 degree. As usual, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore, x plus 45 degree is equal to 90 degree, and it is x is equal to 90 minus 45 is x is equal to 45. Therefore, the measure of complementary angle is 45 degree. This was the third sub question. Now, fourth, it is 55 degree. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore, x plus 55 is equal to 90. 90 minus 55 55. 35 degrees. Therefore, the measure of complementary angle is 35 degrees. And fifth, in the sub question fifth, this is given 20 degree. As usual, let the measure of complementary angle be x. Therefore, x plus 20 is x plus 20 degree equal to 90 degree. 90 minus 20 is equal to 70 degree, and the measure of complementary angle is 70 degree. And the sixth is given 90 degree. Let the measure of complementary angle be x. Therefore, x plus 90 is equal to 90 degree, and x is equal to 90 minus 90, 0. Therefore, the measure of complementary angle is 90 minus x. How it is 90 minus x? Because x value is 0. Therefore, that is whatever complementary angle is given 90. When x is subtracted from 90, it becomes 90 minus x. Now, the last 7 x degree. Now, in this case, we cannot take the measure of complementary angle as x, because already x is given there, x degree. Therefore, another alphabet we can use. Let the measure of complementary angle be a, suppose a. Then, by the definition of complementary angle, a plus x is equal to 90, and a is equal to 90 minus x. Therefore, the angle A is 90 minus x, and 90 minus x is the measure of complementary angle. In this way, we have solved all 7 sub questions of question first, where we have to find their complementary angles of the given angles. Second question in practice set 16, which is given on page number 26, is question is y minus 20 and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angle. Complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Find the measure of each angle. Two angles are given, y minus 20, y plus 30. By the definition of complementary angle, the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Then we add this y plus y becomes 2y plus 10 is equal to 90. You got negative 20 plus 30. It is plus 10, and 2y is equal to 90 minus 10. 2y is equal to 80. Y is equal to 80 upon 2 divided by 2. Y is equal to 40 degree. Value of y we have got 40. Now we will find the measures of each angle which is given there. And first angle is y minus 20. Value of y is 40. Therefore 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 degree. And another angle is y plus 30 is equal to 40 plus 30 is equal to 70 degree. And therefore the measures of complementary angle are 20 degree and 70 degree. In this way, you can solve the second question. Now, after the practice set 16, we are going to see the next concept, which you have already learned in last year. This figure is line AB. On line AB, if I take point T here and it becomes angle, you know which type of angle it is. It is straight angle. And what is the measure of this angle? Measure of this angle is 180 degree. Straight angle, measure of straight angle. Now, we are going to see new concept from this straight angle, that I am going to draw one ray here and give the name T there. TD is the ray which is drawn. Now I am going to measure the measures of angle. This measure of this angle is 70 degree and measure of the another angle is 110 degree. Okay, that is measure of angle ATD is 110 and measure of angle BTB is 70 degree. What is the sum of these two angles? 110 plus 70 is equal to 180. Now these two angles, angle ATD and angle DTB, are called as supplementary angles. So today we are going to see supplementary angles. These supplementary angles is not always the straight formed by the straight angle. It is the measure of sum of two angles is 180. They are called as supplementary angles. For example, if angle ABC is 30 degree and there is another angle PQR whose measure is 50 degree. Now measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle PQR is equal to 130 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two angles is 180. Therefore these are also the complementary angles. Now we have seen two where they have got common vertex and common arm, and two arms are the opposite rays, and their sum is 180. We say complementary angle. Again, they don't have any common things, not vertex or arm common, but sum of these two angles is 180 degree. therefore they are complementary angle. And using this knowledge of this complementary angle, we are going to see practice set 17. Okay, let us see what is given in the practice set 17 in the complementary angles. Practice set 17. Question first. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. Measures of the supplements. Is the question, and in the question first is given 15 degree. Now we have solved in the practice 16 complementary angle. There we assume that let the measure of complementary angle be x, and then we got the measure of complementary angle. Here also we are going to do the same. We let the measure of supplementary angle be x, and therefore by the definition of supplementary angles, what is the definition of supplementary angle? Sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are supplementary angles. Now x plus 15 is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 15 degree. X is equal to 165 degree. X value is 165, therefore the measure of supplementary angle is 165 degree. In the first question, total 7 are given. Second, we are going to solve here of first question first, and its measure is given 85 degree. We have to find supplements. Supplements means measure of supplementary angle. Let the measure of supplementary angle be x degree, and therefore by the definition of supplementary angle, x plus 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 85. X is equal to 95 degree. X 95, therefore the measure of supplementary angle is 95 degree. Okay. Now it is easy now, third onwards. Here it is, third is given 120, and we have to find its supplements or supplementary angle. As well, let the measure of supplementary angle be x, therefore x plus 120 is equal to 180, and x is equal to 180 minus 120, x is equal to 60 degree, and therefore the measure of supplementary angle is 60 degree. In the fourth, is given 37 degree. Let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Therefore, x plus 37 degree is equal to 180, and 180 x is equal to 180 minus 37, and x is equal to 143 degree. And therefore, we can say the measure of supplementary angle is 143 degree. And fifth, is 108 degree. Let the measure of supplementary angle be x degree. Therefore, x degree plus 108, and x is equal to 180 minus 108. 72 degree. Therefore, the measure of supplementary angle is 72 degree. And sixth is given 0 degree. Let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Therefore, x plus 0 is equal to 180, and x is equal to 180 minus 0. X is equal to 180. Therefore, the measure of supplementary angle is 180 degree. And the last sub question of the practice set 17, question second is a degree. Let the measure of supplementary angle be x. Therefore, x plus a is equal to 180, and x is equal to 180 minus a. X is equal to 480 minus a, and therefore the measure of supplementary angle is 180 minus a degree. In this way, we have completed the first question of practice set 17, which is on page number 27. Now, in practice set 17, question second, the measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Okay. First, we see complementary angles. Which angles are called as complementary angles? The angles whose sum of two angles, measure of sum of two angles is 90 degree. They are complementary. Now we will find out which all sum of two angles is 90 degree. So the first is, we will write complementary. Complementary angles. And in that first, measure of angle B 65 plus 30, 90 degree. Therefore, measure of angle B plus measure of angle N is equal to 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Sum is 90 degree. They are complementary angle. Then, second pair, measure of angle Y 90 degree plus measure of angle E, which is 0. Therefore, 90 degree plus 0 degree is equal to 90 degree. Then, third, measure of angle D is 75 plus 15. Therefore, measure of angle D plus measure of angle F is equal to 75 plus 15 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now, is there any pair remain for complementary angle? No. Again, these are the pairs of complementary angles. Now, we see the pairs of supplementary angles. And first pair, what is the supplementary angle? Sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. Now for making 180, 150 plus 30, 180, therefore we will say measure of angle N plus measure of angle J is equal to 30 degree plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then other is 60 and 90. Sorry, that's a 150 only. We want 180 degree. Is there any other? Angle. Second pair is measure of angle B plus measure of angle G is equal to 60 plus 120 is equal to 60 plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. I think these are the pairs of complementary angles. Okay, and means what we did, we have added two angles whose sum is 90 degree and we call them complementary angle. Similarly here, sum of two angles is 180, we say them supplementary angles. Now we switch over to third question. In the third question, triangle X, in triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of pair do angle X and Z make? Here, in triangle XYZ, Y is 90 degree, X, Y, Z, Y is 90 degree. Now, set 17, question third. In triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and Z makes? I have drawn here triangle XYZ where angle Y is 90 degree. We know by angle sum property of triangle, sum of the measures of angle, all angles is 180. Therefore X plus Y plus Z is 180. We have, it is given only measure of angle Y. X plus 90 plus J is equal to 180. Measure of angle X plus J is equal to 180 minus 90. And the sum of angle X and Z is 90 degrees. And here it is asked the pair X and Z, which kind of pairs they make. Therefore, we can conclude that angle X and angle Z makes complementary angles. Okay. Then, question fourth of practice set 17 is the difference between the measures of two angles of complementary pairs is 40 degree. Find the measures of two angles. Okay. Now their difference is 40 degree given. We'll say let one angle be x degree. We don't know this measure, therefore you can say here x. And therefore other angle or measure of other angle will be 40 plus x. The difference is 40, therefore one is x and 40 plus x. One, and by the definition of complementary angle, sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, x plus 40 plus x is equal to 90 degree. X plus x, 2x is equal to 90 minus 40. 2x is equal to 50 degree. And x is equal to 50 upon 2. X is equal to 25. Now x is equal to 25. We have got the measure of one of the angle. And we have to find measure of another angle. One angle is x. Its measure we have got 25. Now another angle is 40 plus x is equal to 40 plus 25 is equal to 65 degree. Therefore, the measures of the angles are 25 degree and 65 degree. Was the question, and we got the answer as 25 degree and 65 degree. In practice set 17, fifth question. Quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle. Write the pairs of supplementary angles. PTNM is a rectangle. You know all angles of a rectangle are a right angle. That is, their measure of each angle is 90 degree. Now, supplementary means what? Sum of two angles 180 degree. Let us see. Angle P plus angle M, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Then angle M plus angle N is 90 degree plus 90 degree, 180. Angle N plus angle T is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle T plus angle P is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now, these are, we have taken adjacent angles. We can also take opposite angles P and N. Angle P plus angle N is also 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. And angle M and its opposite angle, angle D. Angle M plus angle T is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then we can say that the pairs of supplementary angle P and angle M, angle M and angle N, angle N and angle T and angle P, they are the supplementary angle, as well as the opposite angle P and N. Their sum also is 180. Therefore, they are also the pairs of supplementary angles, and M and T, their sum is also 180 degree. Therefore, they are also the pairs of supplementary angle. Now, sixth question. If measure of angle A is 70 degree, what is the measure of supplement of the complement of angle A? Two sub questions are there in this question: supplement as well as complement. We'll see first complement. Okay. First we find complement. How to find complement? To find the complement, 90 minus given angle. Therefore, 90 degree minus given angle and 90 degree minus angle A and 90 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 20 degree. Therefore, complement is 20. And we have to find the measure of supplement. Therefore, supplement is equal to, as complement is equal to 90 minus given angle, therefore supplement is equal to 180 minus given angle. And 180 minus given angle is a complement of A, and complement of A is 20. Therefore, here we subtract 180 minus 20 is equal to 160 degree. Therefore, the measure of supplement is supplement is 160 degree. That is the answer. Question 7. If angle A and angle B are supplementary angles and a measure of angle B is x plus 20 degree, then what would be measure of angle A? By the definition of supplementary angle, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 180 degree. A is not given, therefore we write measure of angle A, but it is given x plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle A plus x is equal to 180 minus 20. Measure of angle A is equal to 160 minus x. 180 minus 20, 160, and this x becomes minus there. Therefore, measure of angle A is 160 minus x. Now, next concept, we are going to see opposite rays. Here, there are two figures. In the first figure, angle ABC is drawn, and arms of the angle ABC are ray BA and ray BC. Both of these arms have got common vertex. Similarly, in the figure second, angle ABC is drawn where B is the origin or common vertex. Is origin, and the ray BA and ray BC, they form straight line, and it has got common origin. When two rays have common origin and form straight line, they are called as opposite rays. Now, there are two questions in the practice set 18 about the opposite rays we are going to see. Practice set 18. Question 1. There is one common figure given to L, P, M, N, D. And question first, name the pairs of opposite rays in the figure. Name the pairs of opposite rays. Then the first pair is ray PL and ray PM. Ray PL and ray PM. They are the opposite rays because they have got origin common and they form straight line. Second, ray PN and ray PT. They have got origin common P and they form straight line. Therefore, these are the pairs of opposite rays in the figure given. Question second. Are the ray PM and PT opposite ray? Are the ray PM and PT opposite rays? Give reason for your answer. They are not opposite ray. Then we can write ray PM and ray PT are not opposite rays. Because they does not form straight line, though does not form the linear, does not form straight line. In this way, we have completed practice set 18. Now, I'll be giving some questions to you as a homework. Write it down. Question 1. Which is depend on practice set. Find the measures of complementary angles of the following. 70 degree, 35 degree, 45 degree, 85 degree, and 52 degree. Question second. Find the measures of supplementary angles of the following. 1. 120 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree, 75 degree, and 150 degree. Okay. This is what you have to solve both the question. Find the measures of complementary angles and supplementary angles of the given angle.